Ayu Setiasari. I student Uinaudin Makassar. Departemen Fakulti Dakwah and Communication of Science Communication. This is my friend Maslinda, his name. He is equal to me and he happening to of one of my class. He is a good person, understanding, playful, and love to sing, but they really do not like to write, and most afraid of worms. He was a native of Sidra. He lived around the housing Megaresgi, not far from there. He lived with his thanks